Hey guys, TBFlameYT doing a YouTube video, and I figured out how to fix my mic, it was still working, or it started working again because I did this. Yeah, I just heard it click on, see? And now I'm trying to show you how to fix it. Oh, okay, I froze for a second. What the? Okay, there we go. So this worked and it fixed my mic because there's something wrong with it. I couldn't figure it out. Basically, you're going to go to apps. First, you're going to go to my apps and games. And you're going to go to settings. Then, you're going to go all the way down to power and startup. You're going to turn off and restart. And you're going to click full shutdown and turn it back on. It should work. So, leave a like if it worked. Bye.